Volume Series 1, Exercise number 10, second part, start. So far as the government policy is concerned, we find that a sum of rupees 4 crores has been allowed to be invested this year. Full stop. We do not know how it is to be used up. Full stop. We have been told that during the period 2008-13, nearly rupees 35 crores have been allowed to be invested in textile machinery and generally in the textile industry. Full stop. We have seen to what extent cotton and jute have been dominated by the national capital and to what extent they play the role against the demand for them. Full stop. We know further what the government is doing in regard to the industries and how the Indian counterpart in these industries are behaving. Full stop. Then why this further penetration of foreign capital? Question mark. Full stop. Paragraph. Even in regard to the expansion scheme, we find that paints, soaps, electric fans, and machines tools are some of the industries where the government has allowed foreign interest to establish of expand their factories. Full stop. It will adversely with the production of the country when the indigenous producers do not find any market in this sphere. Full stop. Therefore, we have got to see to what extent the capital issue has been regulated by this government and particularly by the finance department so that the national well-being of the country could be guaranteed. Full stop. Paragraph. Then we have got to look into the fact as to how far the new industries are allowed to function. Full stop. So far as the oil refineries are concerned, some of going to be established very soon. Full stop. In the control of the administration, the Indians have no share. Full stop. There are only preference shareholders and they have no voice in the management. Full stop. So far as the administrative aspect in this country is concerned, the most important part of it is the technical know-how. Full stop. They do not guarantee that they will train the Indians. Full stop. That means they say even after 20 years we will have to face the problem of the know-how in respect of the oil refineries. Full stop. I do not know why the government are showing softness to foreigners in this matter. Full stop. Paragraph. Then we have another investment in Indian chemical industries to the manufacture of civil explosive. Full stop. Here, so far as I have gathered, only 20% is going to be Indian capital full stop over.